What's up, everybody? So, I'm adding some stuff to my YouTube course, and before I do that, I'm going to explore YouTube Studio. And this is the video of me exploring YouTube Studio. So it'll probably be like 30 minutes just giving a summary of what I know about it so far, and how it's different from Creator Studio, which is what we used to use, which we can see going this way. So, a little bit of backstory. I am adding to my YouTube course because the part of the course that's about uploading videos and stuff uses Creator Studio Classic, which is this thing. But YouTube is pushing the Studio Beta, and that's soon going to be Studio, right? So I'm going to show you guys a little bit about this, and also in doing so, I'm exploring it and learning how to make more specific videos for the course. Let me show you real quick. I need to pick this one. So there's a section, yeah, here we go. The second section is YouTube Studio Classic, but YouTube's changed the default for some people, so it's going to be confusing because they're going to see this, and they're going to have to know that they have to opt out by doing this in order to see it this way. So now let's start the actual tour of Creator Studio. This is the dashboard, and I think that you're going to be able to customize these tiles probably. It kind of reminds me a bit of the way eBay handled stuff with their seller dashboard, because you have all these tiles and you can move them around based on what you want to look at. Right now, it shows your most recent video, and it compares its performance by minute to time or to view count. So, it looks at the window of how your previous 7 videos did, or 10 videos, or whatever, and then it compares them to that. So it factors in the fact that the video 5 days ago has been live for 5 days. So you don't have to worry about it, really, which is pretty cool. It makes it really easy to get some quick analytics on how your videos are going. And this allows you to better understand how your quality fluctuates, but also what the core of your audience is going for. Like with me, for example, there's an amount of views that's good for a video that's not dropshipping related. And that's very different than the amount of videos or views that's good for a video related to dropshipping, right? Like if I talk about something related to dropshipping, then it's really easy to get like a couple hundred views. But if I talk about something incredibly personal, it's much harder to get that many views, you know what I mean? So it's kind of interesting learning about the fluctuations. But I do like how easy it shows that. That's pretty cool. And right now, you're going to find that, well, if you're getting into YouTube for the first time, then it makes sense to just learn how to use it in Studio. But if you're used to Creator Studio Classic, then you're often going to find that, you're trying to do something, and it takes you here, but then you can't actually do it yet, so you have to go into another Creator Studio Classic in order to actually do it, right? Like, if I were to upload a video, it doesn't do it in a new way or anything. This is the old format, right? And see how it says redirect to creator equals true? So they haven't integrated uploading video into Creator Studio yet, right? And so there's a lot of stuff that just isn't here yet. But this main page gives you analytics. It has some information from YouTube as well, that kind of thing. Then if you go to your videos, this is where I've been spending most of my time using Creator Studio. Or not Creator Studio, just Studio. Studio Beta, all right? And it allows you to really easily see when stuff is being scheduled. So all my videos right now are public. I don't have anything uploaded that is being scheduled out, right? Whereas sometimes I'm a week or two ahead. That's happened before, where I just have 10 videos uploaded, and then I just kind of pick when I'm going to publish each video. It also allows you to really quickly see if you monetize the video. For example, whenever I upload something on my cell phone, I often forget to monetize it, but then it just shows me right here, and I can just click it. It's convenient. It also shows how your views are doing. Gives you a like and dislike ratio. published and scheduled right here. The one thing that I don't really like about it is that it's not, as far as I know, I don't know how to actually quickly look at the video, right? Like, normally in Creator Studio Classic, you could view the video itself, like play it. But I don't actually, like, what I usually do is I copy this information and then I open a new tab and type youtube.com/video. Oh, and then I forgot the crap. It's important to have a backslash or forward slash, whatever kind of slash it is. And that's how I normally get to the video now. But it would be nice if there was a place to just click it, right? And maybe there is, I just don't know where it is yet, right? Not really sure. This is pretty standard. Like, all of these features are pretty much the same as in Creator Studio Classic. They're just kind of moved around. The one thing is, if you want to blur information or like change the video itself, there's an enhanced tab that you have to go to in Creator Studio Classic that just doesn't exist right now. So if you want to do like post-processing on a video, YouTube allows you to like change videos that you've uploaded to it, right? Like, you can cut parts of them out or blur them. You have to use Creator Studio Classic to do that at the moment. But they do have the editor, so you can trim, but you can't blur anything yet. So I was wrong, actually. And you can add music as well. It allows you to add the end screen and the cards. I haven't been using those recently. I need to do those. So basically, for those of you who don't know, an end screen is like what you see when the video is about to end. And you know how there's like things you can click on. It's other videos by that YouTuber, or like a subscribe to their channel button. That's how you upload those kind of things. So we can go into the comment section now. Comments pretty easy. I like it because you just click on it and then you just see a feed of all of the comments on your YouTube channel. And you don't actually know easily what video they're on. Or actually, no, sorry. In this case, I'm looking at a video, so it shows me all the comments in the video. But we could go back here, click return to channel, and then now click on comments. There we go. And it'll show all of the comments and then also what video they're on, which is relevant. So this is the easiest way to reply and do that kind of thing. It also shows like what comments you have that it thinks are spam. It's going to think they're spam if there's a link in it or if it's long. Like, I didn't used to go through these because most of them are spam. But I found that there were a couple people who just like poured their heart out into a message and it was really long. And it just got marked as spam and I never saw it. So I check these right now just to make sure I can filter out those comments. And let's see, after that we have a transcription section. I don't really know anything about the transcription section. I guess this is how you get subtitles in different languages. Or in English, right? You can pick how many languages it is. Monetization section. And merchandise. I don't know what this merchandise thing is, but I really want to start. It'd be pretty cool. I'd like to just design t-shirt stuff. And then maybe like once a month there'd be a new t-shirt or something. That'd be cool. Other features. And then so all the other features right now, you have to go into Creator Studio Classic, right? Like if I clicked on live streaming, then it's going to take me to the live streaming section of Creator Studio Classic. See? That's pretty much it so far. So this is what you can use Creator Studio Beta, or sorry, Studio Beta, YouTube Studio Beta. Did I get it right? YouTube Studio Beta to do now. It's changing and they're actually like things are getting uploaded pretty fast. Like I don't mind that it's set to my default, and I kind of encourage you to set YouTube Studio Beta to be your default, just because they're eventually going to kick everybody off of Creator Studio Classic. So you may as well just learn how to use it now and then use Classic when you actually need to. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao. Oh, actually, I guess I should. I have a course about YouTube. If you're watching this, if you want to learn more about YouTube, check it out. Link in the description. It's on Udemy, $20. All right, guys. Ciao.